Hi, happy Wednesday. Today I'm doing my subscription binder cash stuffing. This is the money from Monday Minis, the July and August challenge I completed. I think I added in $2 extra. And I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. And first I have, this is Amazon. This is just to shop on Amazon. And I'm gonna add $10. Oops. And these are each 5. So we have 15 in here. And then next is for my Hulu. Right now I just have the on-demand. And I'm gonna add in 16. 5, 10, 15, 16. And these are each 8, so color in 2. Marker got stuck. So we have 24 in this one, I think. Let me make sure. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And this is, I'm trying to save up to pay for a year of Hulu on demand. That's what this one's for. And then my Mint Mobile, I just paid for another 6 months. I'm hoping to complete this before the 6 months is up. And I'm gonna add in 10. And these are each 5. So we'll color in 2. And we should have 20. Let me make sure. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I need, I think, I need 190 for Mint. So hopefully I can do that in 6 months. And then Etsy, I don't know. I'm not too happy with Etsy right now. Because I ordered something from MS Mom Budgets, and it was a digital download. And they took the money. It's not her fault. They took the money out. And I don't know if she got paid, but they took it out of my account, and I couldn't download. It says pending. Do any of you know what that means? Because on Etsy, it just says it's pending, and it's been pending for like a week, and I'm not sure why. This one we're gonna put 10. I might change this to Ko-fi and just shop on there. And I'm thinking about stop selling on Etsy or just sell my digitals on Etsy. These are all 5, so we'll color 2. But yeah, I don't know if I think after the holiday, at the end of the year, I might stop selling scratch-offs on Etsy. But, so we should have 15. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Because to me it seems like Etsy is just all about money. They don't really care about the creators. To me that's what it seems like. But maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I'm feeling. And then Canva, I'm trying to save up to get like the premium or the subscription they have. And these are 4 each, and I'm gonna add 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4, 8, 12. We should have 16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then my last one is for Friendly TV. I'm starting it today. And if you don't know, Friendly TV is like a little live TV package. I like it. I like some of the channels on there, and it has the History Channel and Lifetime and Hallmark. And I think it's like $10 a month. So I'm going to add the rest of the money, which is 5, 6, 7, 8. And I made these for, and these trackers are from Budgeting for Me. And this one was for Netflix, but I changed it to Friendly TV. Because I don't have Netflix. So $8. And that's all the money that I'm saving today. And I'll be back Thursday I'm going to start these tiny... I'm going to start these on Thursday. But I think it was Sunshine, Budget, and Chaos. One time, I think last time I was talking to her on the phone, or maybe the time before, she had asked me if I had cactus, because I live in New Mexico, and she was wondering if I have any cactus where I live. I don't, but on Monday I went to the post office and I filmed a little clip. It's like a minute, I think it's a minute long, and it shows like the scenery, and they put a new road in, like, because where I live it's rural, it's a little town, and it was all dirt road, but you'll see in the little clip. But I'll see you on Thursday for these tinies. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye. We finally got a paved road that I walk. It just got paved over last Friday. This used to be all dirt road, and now it's nice to have a flat surface to walk on when I go to the Family Dollar or when I walk to the post office. And this is the area where I live, and that's what the scenery looks like. There's peaks and a lot of trees. And I live in northern New Mexico, so we get snow. But not a lot, but enough to be cold.